Surprise! Jerry and Emma are husband and wife. It's summer, and Jerry's birthday is approaching. Emma wants to give him a present for his birthday, but she wants it to be a surprise, so she must keep everything a secret. But she has a big problem. If Jerry cannot know about her plan, how does she find out what to get him for his birthday? She decides to use a secret technique. For a whole week, while she pretends to do other things, she actually listens very carefully for clues. However, Jerry doesn't really talk about this subject. A whole week passes with no mention of something he actually wants or needs. That's it, Emma thinks to herself. Jerry's birthday is tomorrow. I'm taking off the gloves. She calls her sister-in-law Mary, and they make a secret plan. Mary will call Jerry, ask him what he would like to receive for his birthday, and Emma will listen to the conversation without Jerry knowing it. The scheme starts out as planned. Mary calls Jerry, and they have a nice chat about his upcoming birthday. Emma listens carefully from the other room. Finally, she hears what he wants, a pair of sneakers. All right, she thinks to herself. Full of excitement, she runs out of the room. She is not so quiet, but who can blame her? She rushes off to the shop and buys a pair of shiny sneakers, exactly Jerry's size. She's very happy. She will get him the present he wants, and it will be a complete surprise. Today is Jerry's birthday. Emma waits until their special dinner at night.